Right, folks, it's your boy Charles Barkley of Crog Dog, and today I've got 3 random 1 through 27s, so packs of random moves for SRG Supershow, and I'm going to open them up, see what I pulled. Alright, we got us a Knuckle Sandwich, Impact Drop, Frog Slime Potion number 3, Candy Crunch, Refuge Supershow, Tug of War, Run It Back, Money to Burn, Epic Stare Down, that's pretty cool, Airdrop, Rolling Senton Bomb, All You Can Eat Pork Chops and Ribs, alright, Cosmic Sheep Elbow, Take Over with the Trash Can, Fire Potion number 15, You Just Got Slapped, Hanging Head Drop, Legendary Triangle, All American Battering Ram, Dive Bomb, Twisted Rope Burn, Lightning Strikes, Whatever It Takes, Divergent Singularity. Oh, that's really good. Pop-Up Dropkick, Broken in Half, and Slamming Beards. Cool. Bunch of cards I hadn't had. Adds to my ability to make decks. Then we've got the Pineapple, Brain Games, Get to the Higher Ground, Running Elbow Smash, Roll Twist Chug, Finger Crush, Run It Back, Toss Out of the Ring, Two-Handed Choke, Can You Afford This, Boss Around, Figure 4 Headlock, Cosmic Sheep Elbow, High on Fire, Double Arm Lock, Knee to the Chin, Take the Shot, Mop Twist Clutch, another All-American Battering Ram, Train Breaker, Big Brain Plays, Shot in the Dark, an Ace Crusher, a Vicious Triple Suplex, a Rabbit Out of a Hat, Get That Out of Here, a Swing at a Schmidt. Alright. And for number 3, we got a yellow card, Smash into the Cage, Short Squeeze Hold, Flip Kick, Eat Steel, Tug of War, Red Strip, Takedown, Embossed Steel Surfboard, Un-American Elbow Smash, Dangerous Heat Slam, You Can't Cage Me, which I guess is a Spotlight card, Kingpin Punch, Super Potion, not sure what a Spotlight card means, but I've been told that's a thing, Knee Breaker, Straight Fear in the Heart, Choke Slam, Peg Leg Shanghai, Skullduggery Potion number 19, Double Leg Power Bomb, Shoulder Assault, Turnip the Heat, Inferno Wool Cutter, Inferno Claw, a Lightning Kick, a Double Slam, and another Slammin' Beards. Alright, all in all, a bunch of cards I didn't have. A bunch of them are pretty playable. It's exciting, a lot more things that matter for stipulation matches too. All in all, pretty happy. Gonna fold this stuff into my collection and try and make some decks. Hope to start playing on webcam soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.